Today, I'm going to share with you 9 online business ideas that you can do without having to create a website of your own. These 9 ideas are beginner-friendly and perfect for new entrepreneurs. Without further delay, let's dive right into the video. Be sure to stick around till the end, because anyone can do the last business idea on this list without needing any special skills. Microtasks. Paidwork.com. The first way of earning money online is by completing microtasks. For this, you can go to paidwork.com, which is a website that pays people for completing small tasks. These tasks can include watching videos, doing surveys, online shopping, and sometimes even playing games. Not to mention, you can also get paid here for creating accounts. The pay rate for each task is different. However, you can get paid anywhere between $10 to $100 or even more than that, depending on the number of tasks you complete. Apart from paidwork.com, you can also check websites like swagbucks.com, inboxdollars.com, and rapidworkers.com, which also pay you for completing microtasks. Upwork and Fiverr. Speaking of income, one of the best ways to make money online without having to make a website is by using Upwork and Fiverr. Both these platforms have many different kinds of jobs for sellers to market. You can earn money by doing video editing, animations, logo designing, voiceovers, translations, research work, or anything else you can think of. Heck, you can even market a goofy thing that you're really good at, like doing Mickey Mouse impressions or making memes, and make money from it. Just sign up for Upwork or Fiverr, create a profile, make your gig, and start earning. Article writing. AARP.org. You can earn money by article writing as well, and this gig can make you up to hundreds of dollars for a single piece. AARP.org is one amazing platform for earning money by writing articles. The magazine targets people in their 50s, 60s, or 70s and publishes content that matters more to the people in that age range. The site accepts pitches from writers, but you'll have to keep the target audience in mind if you want your article to get approved. Once your article is approved, you can get paid for it. And even though the website doesn't specifically mention any pay rates, existing data suggests that you can get paid as high as $1 per word. Also, don't forget to read AARP.org's Writer's Guideline, which I will share in the comment section below. Make sure you check it out, as it details how you, too, can submit your article. Write an ebook. Similar to writing an article, writing an ebook is also a great business idea. Thanks to Amazon Kindle, you can self-publish your own ebook. Plus, you can use the power of AI to help you create a great ebook. Even if you are not a pro writer, you can ask ChatGPT to give you ideas and outlines and even write text. Then, all you've got to do is publish the final copy after editing. Simple as that. At $3 to $10 a pop, your ebook can potentially make you thousands of dollars a month in passive income once it starts selling. Affiliate marketing with Semrush. Another favorite money-making method of mine is affiliate marketing, and Semrush.com is one of the best companies out there. The process is very simple. Just go to Semrush.com and sign up as an affiliate partner. However, there's one thing you'll need to get approval as an affiliate if you don't have a website. You'll need at least 1,000 followers on a social media platform. That's not so difficult, as you simply create an Instagram page and repost viral content there to gain 1,000 engaged followers. Once you get the approval, you'll be guided by an expert on what the company is about and how you can earn using referral links. You will also be given pre-made promotional materials to help you attract customers. After that, all you need to do is promote Semrush. Every time a client uses your referral link to make a purchase, you earn $200. But that's not all. Even if the client signs up for a free trial, you'll still get $10. Plus, you get other incentives based on your performance. I'll share a tutorial about how to use Semrush as a beginner in the description, so make sure you check it out. There's nothing too complicated, and you'll understand it all in a matter of minutes. If you have good marketing skills, Semrush is one of the best referral programs you can use to make tons of money without having to spend too much time. Before we continue, Please like the video if you found it helpful. It'll help the channel a lot. Also, do not forget to subscribe for more content like this. Let's get back to making money. Arbitrage. Arbitrage is a money-making method that can work for literally anyone who does it right. Start with going to websites like Walmart, Amazon, eBay, or any other online goods store, and look up a trending product. Next, you have to check the same product on other platforms where it's being sold for a higher price. Say you find a racing bike being sold at Walmart for $150, and the same model is being sold on eBay for $200. Next, you have to create a similar ad on eBay for the same bike, pricing it at $200, just like the other sellers on eBay do. Then, when a customer places an order on your listing, you will get their address and contact info. Now, go back to the lower-priced Walmart listing and place an order there. Once you get the bike, send it over directly to the customer who paid you more for it and pocket the difference. There, you just made easy money since it doesn't require you to invest anything or keep an inventory. Virtual assistant. Now, some people like to stick to a job instead of doing business ventures to make money online. For them, becoming a virtual assistant is a great option. A virtual assistant works for a company or individual, and their job usually involves making appointments, managing emails, making phone calls, and other simple tasks. The whole work is done remotely and online. If you have the right skills, I recommend you check Indeed.com, Remote.com, and Upwork.com for virtual assistant jobs that you can apply for. Make courses. The next business idea is for those people who have a specialty. If you are a professional in something, then making a course teaching what you know about your specialty can be a big money earner. You can make a language teaching course, a course about going viral on social media, or about woodworking. It can be literally anything that you are an expert in. Once you have made your course, you can sell it for any amount you want, or you can sell it as a subscription. Either way, you can potentially make thousands or hundreds of thousands if your course sells well. My advice is that you always market the hell out of your course on social media, because that's how you can maximize interested customers. Test websites. The last website-free online money-making idea I have for you is website testing. It is as simple as it sounds. You just test websites and give your thoughts on how well the website works. You may have to perform certain scenarios on the website while doing the test, but it is almost never anything too complicated. With a camera, a phone, and a laptop, you too can become a website tester. The only skill you need is to be able to speak out your thoughts and opinions while testing a website. Userlytics.com, usertesting.com, and testerwork.com are some great platforms where you can work as a website tester. Which of these website-free money-making methods do you want to try out? Let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to keep mining by watching another video on how to make $2 every 30 seconds. Link on screen or in the description.